So in terms of what exactly fit, I think I'll take this out, which is from Series 22 Chanel Long Lambskin Classic Flat Wallet, and to see whether what fits in here or fit in here. From what you can see, the size, the mini case is slightly larger, but from my user experience, I think that they fit about the same amount. But this will be able to fit in your more non-regular size items like your hand sanitizer, your mini hand cream, your lipstick, but this is not going to be able to fit that. Okay. So I have tissue, some excess cards. So let's just see with the amounts of cards in here that I have. Do I have more excess cards? And I have a key. So to test this out, maybe I'll throw in some dental floss, tape, and I think that's about it. So for this mini case, it's much more flexible and roomy, so for sure you'll be able to fit in items such as this. So I can fit my irregular items easily, and even for cards I can fit 3 cards in. The tissue might be able to fit with a little bit of bending, but from what you can see here, there's still a lot of space. So the cards are here, tissues are here, is here, and I'm able to zip it up easily. From the side, it's a little bit bulky, so it really boils down to personal preference. When I use it, I don't really care that it's bulky or not, and I feel that this caviar has made it very long lasting. However, it's a very good SLG to keep your bag tidy, especially if you have miscellaneous and random items to pack in a bag and you like to have a neat bag. It won't be able to fit a phone for sure, but for small items like this, it will definitely fit. However, if I were to put this into here, into the Chanel 19 zippy coin purse, it's a much more chic looking wallet, and it's cuter because it's smaller size, but it is not going to fit as much as this. Though I have to say, putting it side by side, this does look slightly aesthetically more pleasing because of its petite size, and this has a tendency to bulk if you're not careful, though you can definitely fill it up this way. So let me unpack the items back again. So this is the tissue paper that we had previously, 3 cards, tape, dental floss, and my keys. But meanwhile, I think I'm just going to repack this bag because I'm not using this immediately yet. So I'm just waiting for maybe a few more months before I start using, and that's how I typically use my SLG. I wait out a few months before I start opening any of my unboxing videos or any of my Chanel packages, and then I start using them. Okay, so now let's see how much this Chanel 19 zippy coin purse or zippy coin wallet will fit on 21A collection. Needless to say, I have cash in here that will definitely fit inside the mini case. Let's start with the easy one. So this card can fit in very easily here. See, it's only half filled and I can fill in more. My keys, yes, it won't slip out, so typically I put it here in the compartment as well. And just to let you know, the inside is not leather lined fabric, it's definitely not lambskin, so even if you have keys, you're not worried that it will scratch. Okay, this, it definitely can't fit unless you want to spoil your purse. See, zip on the side. Tape. Nope, it's not going to work as well. Tissue. Pretty important for people, for some ladies especially, if they want to go about packing it into their boxes, into their wallets. Yes, that's able to fit. So for the same amount, you definitely won't see any bulge here, and partially the reason is because you won't be able to fit it in, whereas for the mini case, you can squeeze it in and you can see a little bit of bulge. There's still a lot of space here, and plenty of spaces here, but I only be able to fit in regular size items like your cards, your cash, your coins, your keys, but you won't be able to fit in lipsticks, tape, dental floss, and maybe hand sanitizer won't be able to fit in as well. And this will look more chic, and given lambskin, sometimes you might want to protect it against dark colored items, but for that it's really a throw and go for the mini case for me. So that's really about it for today. A comparison between what fits into the mini case and the zippy coin purse. Do let me know which one you prefer, which one you like. Personally, for me, if I'm traveling or I'm in a rush of time, I will pick the mini case because it's more flexible. But if I'm getting ready for a night out or there's a special event, I will actually pick the mini zippy coin purse in lambskin because it looks and feels a lot more luxurious than the mini case. That's the end of my video today. Do let me know if you have any other thoughts or comments. Thank you.